John Kennedy here from Lutron Electronics. Today, we're going to show you how to install your new Sunnata Fan Control device. First, you'll need to set your ceiling fan to its highest speed setting and turn the power off at the breaker. With the power off, you'll be able to begin your installation. Most installations will require a screwdriver, electrical tape, and a pair of pliers. Start by removing the existing switch from the wall. With the control pulled out, you'll need to tag the wire that is connected to the load. This is the wire that carries power to the ceiling fan. With the load wire tagged and the device pulled from the wall, disconnect the wiring from the device and set it aside. Now, let's start connecting the new Sunnata Fan Control. First, connect the bare copper wire or green wire in the wall box to the green wire on the fan control. Then, take the hot wire from the wall box and wrap it around the bare screw terminal on the fan control. Now, connect the tagged wire to the yellow wire on the device. Finally, take the neutral wire from the wall box and connect it to the white wire on the fan control. Now, mount your control and add your Lutron screwless wall plate. With the Sunnata Fan Control mounted, you can return power to the circuit and test the device. And that's all there is to it. To learn how to personalize the light bar or for additional support, please visit lutron.com/Sunnata support.